Hey, what's up, guys? Warren here. And, well, September 1st. Today is my birthday. I just turned 44. Imagine that. 4-4. I can't even flip the numbers around to fake it. Not like last year. If everyone asks me how old I am, I can say I'm 34. When in reality, I'm 43. But that doesn't work. I'm still 43 last year, and now I'm 44. Anyway, happy birthday to me, September 1st. I'm making this video today because I basically want to change everything about me. Gradually, obviously. I don't want to, there's some things, some dominant personalities that I will keep and probably it will still be there regardless of what I do. But I definitely want to better myself, improve in all aspects in my life, whether that's at work, my career, my relationships, my family, my spiritual health, my emotional health, my physical health, obviously. And that right there really is the reason for this video. Being 44, getting there, getting older, and the saying goes, you're not getting any younger, you're just getting older. I look back and there are a lot of ups and downs in my life, and most of them are good, but there are the bad. Like anybody else, we have our problems, we have our ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster sometimes. But one thing's for certain is time. We don't get that back. Once we use it, it's gone. Every second. I mean, even as I'm speaking right now in this video, what I just said, it's gone. So, it's one thing to say things, it's another thing to do. So, doing is the key here. This is the reason for this video. I've said many times about changing my diet, improving my health, getting cut, ripped, lean, looking better, and that hasn't happened yet. I've been saying that for years. As a matter of fact, I've probably been saying that for the last 10 years now, and nothing's changed. I mean, there will be times when I would try a diet and it worked for a month, and then I go back to my old habits where I just veg out, eat anything I want, and just whatever. And that's not good. That's obviously not healthy. And again, like I said, as I'm getting older, my metabolism is not as good as it used to be. So I can't really get away with it anymore. Maybe when I was in my 20s, when I was in my 20s, I was eating crap all the time. I wasn't paying attention to my health, and I still burned the fat somehow because I had a routine. After work, I would still be working out, and I actually love working out. Nowadays, as I get older, there are other things I'd rather do, other things I'd rather focus on. But the thing is, I'm focusing on the wrong stuff, the wrong things in my life, and that's not good. So, 44, September 1st, birthday, 2021, pandemic time. Even with all that, I am going to make a stand, and I want you guys to hold me accountable. In a way, this video is what it's for. It's to be able to keep me accountable, keep me honest, and more importantly, be consistent in my plan. It's a simple plan. Just eat right, work out, and try not to stress a lot, and that's a big thing. There's good stress, there's bad stress, but stress in general, just try not to have too much of it. But one thing's for certain, I need to get back into the groove of working out, being consistent with that, and eating right. That's the hardest thing. I can stop working out and just eat right, and there will be major changes already alone. But the problem is, I do like to work out, so just getting to the gym. And so that's the plan. I am going to be doing that consistently from now on. I have a goal of from now until maybe the end of the year or 3 months from now to lose, at most hopefully 50 pounds. If not, 40 is more realistic probably. But I want to make big changes starting today. And I want you guys to follow me in this journey, help me stay accountable, make those comments, whatever it is, be honest, help me out, and hopefully in turn it will help you guys out if you are going through the same issues. Staying consistent, not staying consistent, not being able to eat the right things or work out the right way, whatever it may be. So yeah, right now, physical, internal health, very important. And then as my channel grows, as I post more videos, I'll incorporate other stuff like relationships and career, money, finance, stuff like that. Anything that can improve you guys, improve myself. We'll in this together. We'll do it together. Help each other out. That's the name of the game. So anyway, that's it for this video. Just wanted to let you guys know today, my birthday, first day being 44. Time to do this seriously and not go back to my old ways, my bad habits, and start making a change for myself, for you guys. Live our best life, and hopefully look back and be proud. Pat ourselves in the back and continue to stay positive and be strong, enjoy our life. We want to live as long as we can and enjoy it, but that won't happen if you're not taking care of yourself. So let's take care of each other. I'm gonna start doing it from here on out, document the whole thing in this channel, and hope you guys follow along if you're going through the same issues. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for stopping by. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Till the next video, I'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.